Hi everyone, hope you will be fine. Today I will give you some tips on healthy life. Most of people getting bored with their heavy weight, belly fat, and diabetes. Everyone feels stress on these kind of problems. So don't worry, I am here for you. I have get many kinds of knowledge on these type of weakness. So, stay calm and watch the full video. Today I will solve your all problem with yoga for beginners. In this you will get knowledge about healthy and easy life. Firstly, you will learn how to live in peace and harmony in a world full of uncertainty and dramatically improve your quality of life today through yoga. Dear friend, in this world full of uncertainty, wars, economic crises, killing, rape and robbery, it's difficult for one to lead a calm and peaceful life. Sometimes, the unnervingness of it all can lead to disease and complications which harm our health. And once get caught up in such situations, it's hard to improve our health situation, or worse, the disease can progress or worsen. But here's the good news, the art of yoga can help you achieve peace and calmness. But before we go into that, ask yourself, have you ever faced any of these problems in your life? Feeling helpless and unable to act when it comes to triggers. You lack the tools and strategies needed for helping you overcome your urges and stay calm. You don't have a proper support system needed to help you deal with your condition. Or you are totally clueless when it comes to dealing with your condition. Well, you are not alone. I've once walked down this lost path and I told myself that I would do whatever it takes to figure out the key to freeing myself from my condition and living a life of comfort I deserve. Baby steps for practicing and discovering the joy of yoga. Here's an overview of this ultimate guide to yoga. With this guide, you'll be equipped with the most powerful tools and strategies to helping you achieve peace and calmness via yoga. You will also be exposed to plenty of highly effective methods for identifying triggers and preventing them through yoga. You'll also get tons of extra information on your conditions and how you can deal with them in a variety of ways to achieve peace and calmness with yoga. Let me shed some light on some things that may be on your mind. Will this help free me from my feelings of uncertainty? Admittedly, some conditions are difficult to treat. But with the tools and strategies provided in the guide, freeing yourself will become a much easier process and you will start seeing results fast. Will I be able to implement these strategies easily? Most definitely. The strategies for overcoming your condition have been mapped out clearly in this guide so that anyone, whether a novice or beginner, can start using it and achieve results fast. Wow, this is too good to be true. Will this cost me a bomb? Here's the good news, no. I want everybody to be able to have access to this great tools and strategies for achieving peace and serenity, because I knew what it was like, struggling as a hopeless sufferer without anyone to guide me. Now that I've found the way, I want this ultimate guide to jumpstart your success regardless of how bad a situation you are in. If you're still sitting on the fence, here's 5 great reasons to invest in this amazing yoga guide for achieving peace and calmness. You'll never have that feeling of frustration of not knowing how to handle your condition. These secret effective strategies are known by only the top personal development gurus, and you'll finally be able to have access to these secrets. Thousands of hours and money are wasted just because people fail to leverage on the right tools for helping them break their triggers, which aggravates things. Your friends will be begging you to tell them your secrets to freeing yourself. With your newfound freedom, the amount you save on being disempowered by your condition will more than enough cover your investment in this guide. So how much will this cost you? Real world value equals $97, but hey, like I said, I want everybody to be able to afford this amazing guide to achieving peace and calmness, because the value it provides is literally mind-blowing. So, I've decided to lower the costs of this product. Hence, your total investment in this ultimate guide to yoga is $37 only. This is a digital download. You will instantly be directed to the download page upon purchase. It also has some special bonuses like managing your life by eating right. You might be facing these struggles, understanding how to effectively manage stress, knowing how to have people perceive you to be an expert in your field, and optimal living, how to have people believe that you comprehend his or her specific issues, and can help them to solve them. Teaching all these things to someone else. Many more horrors. Well, don't worry. With these strategies that I'm about to share with you, you will have no problems when it comes to achieving the millionaire mindset. Sugar is the new enemy. It's no secret that governments all over the world are starting to crack down on sugar. They are passing taxes on sugary drinks and snacks, banning them from schools, and more treatment programs are becoming open to people who believe they are addicted to sugar. But what is the truth? Is sugar the new enemy? Learn more by downloading today. 5 reasons why you should start eating plant-based foods today. As our society evolves, we are constantly facing the need to change our behaviors and habits to increase our health and quality of life. We are now facing climate change, food insecurity, and over 40% of our population are suffering from chronic disease. One of the recent ideas put forward to improve our world and health is plant-based nutrition. Even though food regimens are not something our doctor prescribes, yet, research is showing that food has a lot to contribute to our health. It is also a less costly option for our society than prescribed medication. So don't wait, go and watch out the description. Your free bonuses are waiting for you. Thanks and stay blessed.